flow, you can actually see what your week looks like as far as water usage. As you can see here, there's some interesting days. May 31st, big day, 317 gallons. June 1st, 168, 79, etc., 234. Obviously, there's something kind of going on here. So if I click on Monday, I can see throughout the day it's not so bad. The scale here changes a little bit. So this is likely a shower, for example, and just a few toilet flushes maybe here. But on these two times at 6 a.m. and 7 a.m., I see some pretty big water usage. And this is usually when I have my sprinklers go off. And so I drilled into the 6 a.m. and I see some pretty good water usage here. And this is a little confusing to me because I had these set for 4 minutes to go off. And this is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So not sure what's going on there. And then in the 7 a.m. hour, I see a similar pattern here. So that kind of gave me some clues as to where to look for what's going on this usage, because by the day that usage was huge. That's nearly 160 gallons of water use right there.
So where I found my water issue was that this is my timer for my drip irrigation throughout my house, and I have, as you can see, sort of two separate circuits, if you will, for covering everything. And if you go back up here in the back, that corresponds to 1 and 2 right here. So how I had it set up was I had start time 1 set up to start at 6:30, and then start time 2 up here set to start at 7. And I thought, okay, that's my first circuit, and then my second circuit is going to come on at 7 o'clock. What I learned is that in start time 1, that actually sets off both 1 and 2. And then when I put it to start time 2, again, it repeats it for 1 and 2. So basically every day I was double watering what I was supposed to do. Well, actually it was every 4th day, so I was doubling up what I intended.